What would you do on like just both boxes full?
Huh?
What about just both boxes? How much would that be?
Okay.
How much are your DVDs?
50 cents each.
Hot dog.
Need to get rid of it. I'm
Price is
moving.
right.
Moving.
Oh, this is last year's design? I was looking for this. No, I'm kidding.
That's for that.
How much is that?
Just give me $2 for that.
$2 for that? Okay.
Yeah, like I said, trying to get rid of it.
Yeah, I got you. I'm trying to collect it all, you know?
Sorry.
$0.50. I mean.
I don't know if this belongs over there. I have no idea. You can figure it out.
Oh, yeah, I think it is a ink thing, yeah.
Like I said, you can figure it out. You know?
Yeah. Huh. The Royal Wedding.
Maria.
Huh. Well, sealed stuff. Maybe worth something. What would you do on like just both boxes full?
Huh?
What about just both boxes? How much would that be? It would really grow my DVD collection quite quickly.
I don't know, Andy, what do you think? I'm asking for 50 cents each. There's 2 full boxes.
How much you want to pay for the box?
I mean, there's a lot of DVDs in there. Just give me a price.
I don't know. I'm just too lazy to sort through what I want.
What do you think, Andy?
I was thinking like 15 for both.
Sure.
That work?
Yeah.
Okay.
If that's what my son says, that's what it is. How much you need that? You need $4? Excellent.
Oof.
You shouldn't bring, you know.
These included as
No, actually it's not in.
how much are those?
Give me 50 cents for that too.
50 cents for that.
Yeah.
Okay, so $17.50. Let me see if I can find something else for 50 cents. Make it an even 18.
That's my mom's.
Okay, we're gonna play this and this.
Okay, that's $3.
That's cool.
$4 and $5. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. I mean, everybody has their own, you know.
How much you looking for on the soap dispenser?
It's right there.
Oh, there it is. $2. So that would be 19. I still need to find 50 cents.
There's plenty of 50 cents.
This box, $2.
It's $2.
So if I can find 50 cents, I'm at 20.
Right there. See, there's plenty of 50 cents.
These are all 50
Is
cents.
your girlfriend or your wife a hairdresser?
No,
Okay,
but
then
she
never
dresses
mind.
her own hair. Why? What do you got?
No, I got the you know, for the color, and I got a cape.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, I don't think she'd use that, but
Okay. I got for makeup.
What are you at, 1750?
1950 with
What
this.
is all this?
So let's see. That's kind of cool. Would you do 50 cents on that? Bring me
Okay.
even 20?
That's it. Don't
Is
worry
that a
about
dollar? Okay. I bought all these.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I apologize.
No worries. $20.
Thank you so much and
Thank
enjoy
you.
the tapes.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'll come back and do 2 trips.
Yeah, make sure nobody takes.
Okay, so here's my thought. I think this is going to be worth 20 bucks and pay for the whole sale. Let's check it out. Brand new, $27.99. Paid for the whole buy. See, when you find something like that, you can just buy it for 50 cents. Or you can take a gamble and buy them all, assuming there's more good stuff in there. I'm hoping there is. Hey guys, how's it going? Just wanted to really quickly go over my huge haul of DVDs I got today. I got a ridiculous amount of DVDs of all types of varying value. Paid 20 bucks. Let's take a look at what I got and see what it's worth. Alright guys, so here's what I got in my boxes of DVDs. It is a ridiculous amount of stuff, and we're going to go over it really quick. Like I said, I paid 20 bucks at this sale, and this is the stuff I got. I got this. Yeah, so let's just go. It's a little overwhelming. I don't know why I chose to do this, because I have been working on this for 3 hours. I looked up the value of every one of these DVDs to see if they were worth selling, because to me, there's kind of a threshold of what's worth selling and what's not. So I see a lot of people selling DVDs on there for, you know, $3 with free shipping. How are they even making money? Let me know in the comments how they're making money selling a DVD for $3 with free shipping. Media Mail's 2 something, they're making 50 cents, but then there's fees? Like, they're losing money. I don't get it. But yeah, so I've got these in piles. There's a method to this madness. Let's start over here. Over here are the DVDs that my kids wanted to keep. They didn't have a lot of value. Spider-Man had a little value, but a lot of these didn't really have much value. Here is Sealed. Sealed, but not worth my time to list. So to me, it's not worth listing if it's selling for $6 with free shipping. So I really want to hit that $9.99 free shipping or up to be willing to list it on eBay and ship it and buy a label and all that. Buy a label, buy a bubble mailer, all that. So all these, I think there's 20 of them. Sealed, I'm going to sell them local, probably Facebook or yard sale, $2 to $3 a piece if I'm lucky. So maybe 40, 50 bucks if all goes well. Some of them are pretty solid, like Roadhouse Sealed, Miss Doubtfire, The Bodyguard. Okay, and then we have these DVDs. These are all opened, pre-owned DVDs that are worth very, very little on eBay. So, for example, you got Modern Family down there, season 1 and 2. It looked like they were going for about $4 or $5 shipped. So, actually, there was Grease as well, which is a good movie, and I might keep it. It was $8, I think, on eBay if you wanted to sell it on there. But again, free shipping. Didn't seem worth my time. So, all of these, in my opinion, are like my yard sale pile. Like, I'll have my own yard sale. I'll sell these for $1 or $2 a piece, and, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8... 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 45, 46, 47, 48. So yeah, this is like 60 DVDs. They won't all sell at one yard sale. I'll have to do a couple yard sales. Oh, Michael Jackson's #1s. So this one is probably in the wrong pile. I made a Michael Jackson lot. Yeah, so if I sold them all eventually, 60 bucks there. I won't, or it will take a long time. Maybe a couple yard sales over the next year. So these are all slow movers. Could be worth about 100 bucks. And yes, I see the Wii game there. It's only $6 free shipping too. So to me, it's the same boat. And then I did some little bundles. So I got these 2 sealed Rachel Rays. Like just one of them sold recently for like 20 bucks. So I've got these Rachel Ray DVDs. They're sealed. I'm going to bundle them, sell them for $29.99. Hopefully someone will buy them. Free shipping. Hip Hop Abs, I bundled these as well. I think 30 bucks. It looked like just this one was selling for 15 pretty regularly, and this one was like 10, 15. This one was 10 as well. So bundle them for 30, and hopefully someone picks them up. Back here, I've got a bunch of Zumba stuff. I listed these, and I think I did 25 bucks, and I included these other workout DVDs kind of as a lot. So hopefully those sell. over here is all the wrestling stuff. I'm gonna list this local, and if I can't sell it local, I'll sell it on eBay. So some Royal Rumbles, things like that. Put it local for 20 bucks, and hopefully it moves. The Michael Jackson shenanigans continue. I mean, this person was obsessed with Michael Jackson. I listed these as 2 lots. One which was a sealed Michael Jackson lot, and one which was a pre-owned used Michael Jackson lot. I think I listed them for 30 bucks a piece. I'm sure there's some Michael Jackson fans that'll come after it. Most of them sell for like 10 bucks on their own, so it was a good deal for them, and figured, hey, get it going. Now, this is the reason I bought the lot. I saw this at the top, and I was like, you know, I bet that's worth 20 bucks alone, and I paid 20 bucks for everything there. It is. It's worth about 25, selling pretty regularly, so this will probably sell pretty quick and pay for everything I've got here. And these were all the ones that had reasonable value, right? Tina Turner, One Last Time in Concert. Look that one up on eBay. The sold comps are around 40 bucks sealed. And I got one pre-owned that I listed for 20 and one sealed that I listed for 40. So that's solid. And then this one too, Tina Turner Live in Amsterdam. I think that recently sold for 60. So for some reason, Tina Turner DVDs are worth a lot of money. Grab them when you're out. I did the math on just the things I had on eBay, which are these, and then these. Oh yeah, that Siegfried and Roy one's worth 20 bucks for some reason. And then the Rachel Ray's, the Hip Hop Abs, and the Zumba. If all those were to sell, I'll gross $480 in those DVDs. And I haven't listed these yet. These look like they go 3 for 10, 15 bucks. So there's probably another 20 bucks here. So if I can sell all these, you know, high quality titles for 400 plus, sell these all for 100-ish local, and then sell those for 20, you know, that's 5, 6, it's a lot of money, guys. I'm gonna do okay. The only problem with this deal is it was really time expensive. Oh, I got this. That goes for 10 bucks. Might keep it, might sell it. This, I want one because I'm trying to organize my area. I can't test it though because the batteries are dead and I don't have any AA's, so I gotta order some AA's. I'll probably keep this. It's only worth $10, so probably just keep it so I can label things. Finally, I got this bath dispenser. Looked kind of vintage. Was hoping it was worth a little more, but it's only worth about 25 bucks. So I'll sell that on eBay too. Oh, one last thing is they also in these boxes had a ludicrous amount of pirated DVDs. You know, like Undertaker, he buries them alive. This is like something they printed and maybe ripped onto a DVD or something. These are all just going to go in the trash. So, look at this. Ratatouille quality. Yeah, look at the DVD disc. It's just blank. So these are all trash. No real value there. But I will sell all this other stuff and hopefully net 500 bucks. That's the goal. So yeah, everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below. Have you ever bought this many DVDs, or am I crazy? I know it's a lot of work. Hopefully it pays off. Stay tuned to find out. And you can always follow my eBay store and see my sold listings and see what's actually still up there so you can get an idea of how successful I am at this at the end of the day. Okay, thanks.